Welcome to the Egyptian Bazaar. This place is a feast for the senses. Explore Istanbul's most vibrant market. Let's dive right in.
Assalamu-Alaikum. I am Squadron Leader Shahid Beg and you are watching Ayan Television. Today we are in the heart of Istanbul, visiting one of its most colorful and historic places, the Egyptian Bazaar, also known as Spice Bazaar. Located near the new mosque and the busy waters of the Golden Horn, the Egyptian Bazaar has been part of Istanbul's life since the 17th century. For hundreds of years, merchants, travelers, sailors, and local families came here to buy and sell herbs, sweets, tea, dried fruit, perfumes, and traditional goods from different parts of the world. It is not just a market, it is a place where history, culture, trade, and flavor under one roof. The moment you enter, you feel something different. Every shop catches your eye. Every smell pulls you closer. Every corner feels like a painting. This is the real magic of the Egyptian Bazaar. It is busy, colorful, and full of energy. But at the same time, it feels timeless.
Nasıl bir gerizekalı bu ya?
People are bargaining, tourists are taking pictures, shopkeepers are inviting visitors to taste Turkish delight. And in the middle of this movement, you begin to understand why Istanbul has been called a bridge between East and west. This market is more than a shopping place for tourists. Here you can buy gifts like Turkish delights, apple tea, saffron, spices, dry fruits, handmade soap, and souvenirs.
अभी वो आ रहा है जाए तो फिर वेट करते हैं
इसलिए कितनी अच्छी मिल रही है लकड़ी हाँ इसलिए कितनी अच्छी मिल रही है यहाँ पे देखा ये रखी क्या भी रखी
जहाँ से हम उतरे थे उसके पास दुम्बे का वो जो स्लाइस करते हैं यहाँ का एक बहुत मशहूर है अच्छा होता या नहीं होता मुझे नहीं पता ये स्लाइस है लगा हुआ था अभी कुछ और है माँ वो उसके पास भी थी नेक्स्ट टाइम हाँ यस
Duru bakliyat, sofraların duru güzelliği.
Kaç para alıyorsun? This 50. But not same one. What's the best you can do? The best. This is not normal one. This is 40 lira normal. 8 lira normal. Anything matter. Now 70 what? 70. 70.
Imran Khan Zindabad. Imran Khan Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad. Imran Khan Zindabad.
Give it in my side.
Imran Khan Zindabad.
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan Zindabad.
You got your one.
But the real value is not only what you buy. The real value is what you feel, the warmth of people, the glow of the lamps, the color of the spices, the sound of different languages, and the feeling that you are walking through a place where history is still alive.
बहुत पता नहीं कौन सी पता नहीं हाँ कैसी ठंडक हो गई एकदम से मेरा बैग गाड़ी में चल
But if you are visiting as a tourist, remember one important thing. Take your time, compare prices, taste before you buy, ask questions, and enjoy the conversation. Do not rush through this bazaar. This is a place to slow down, to observe, and to feel Istanbul.
Aynı Ravza'ya ben.
ये तो नहीं खाना आपको घर ले जाना
Buyurun. Onlar 25 lira. Sorry.
İncir 70 lira buyurun.
Tek tek ne?
नदी पास पर पकड़ के चल रहे हैं ना हम लोग जाए वहाँ राइट पे जाते हैं
राइट पे जाना है
आगे जाके राइट मिनट आप जाए हम आ जाएंगे
This is a place of flavor, a place of color, a place of history, and a place where every smell tells a story. Sometimes the best travel memories are not made only at famous monuments. They are made in a small moment. Tasting something new, meeting a friendly shopkeeper, or discovering a smell you have never experienced before.
Hırsızlık huzurun öncesi. Bir tırla doğrusu besliyor. Çocuğunuz ölüme karşı direniyor. Sizin için hiçbir şey kaybetmeyen bir tırla sevdasız ve doktor varlığını kurtarıyor. Lütfen siz de kendinizi bekleyin.
After exploring the shops and experiencing the energy of the crowded market, sitting down with local food gives this journey a peaceful and memorable ending. The Egyptian Bazaar is not just a place for shopping. It is a place full of colors, smells, flavors, history, and people. Every shop has something interesting. Every corner has a story, and every visit gives you a new memory of Istanbul. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me and felt the beauty, culture, and life of this amazing place. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this vlog. Your support means a lot to Ayan Television. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more travel vlogs, cultural experiences, and beautiful stories from around the world. Also write in the comments, what did you like most about the Egyptian Bazaar? I would love to read your thoughts.
Plate. This one. Plate. Plate.
Until the next journey, take care, stay happy, and keep exploring the world with Ayan Television. Allah Hafiz.